celiac disease, and autoimmunity, the missing ingredient. Definition: celiac disease has a multifactorial etiology with complex genetic and frequently occurs in association with other autoimmunity disorders.
Gluten and celiac disease. From NIH Medline Plus magazine. Gluten. It's all over the news. But what is it, and where can it be found? Gluten is a protein. It is found naturally in some grains, such as wheat, barley, and millet. Nope, not you, rice. Common food products that have gluten include pastas, cereal, and bread. Sometimes gluten can also sneak its way into products like vitamins and supplements, lip balms, and some hair and skin products. Most people don't have a problem with gluten, but some people can't eat it because of an autoimmune disorder called celiac disease. The gluten makes them feel sick. Celiac disease sometimes is hereditary, meaning it runs in families. It's also very common. As many as 1 out of every 141 people in the United States has celiac disease. But most people who have celiac disease don't even know they have it. In celiac disease, gluten can trigger the immune system to attack the small intestine. Immune cells damage small, finger-like growths in the small intestine called villi, and the brushy intestinal lining becomes flattened. When the villi are damaged, the body can't get the nutrients it needs. The immune system's reaction can lead to other health problems as well.
Cause: even though triggered by a dietary antigen, it shows many autoimmunity features, the most spectacular being the presence of high titers of antigen transglutaminase 2 antibodies produced in the small intestinal mucosa since the early stage of the disease. More than 60% of CD-associated susceptibility are shared with at least another autoimmunity condition, suggesting common pathogenic mechanisms.
Gliadin is produced when gluten is broken down in the stomach. There are a few known ways of transporting gliadin into the lumen of the intestine. One starts with secretory IgA picking up gliadin and bringing it to transferrin receptors on the surface of cells. The gliadin is then transcytosed into the lamina propria. Another way involves bringing the gliadin between enterocytes. Gliadin reacts with CXCR3 receptors on enterocytes, causing zonulin to be released. Zonulin regulates tight junctions between the enterocytes. Excess zonulin creates a leaky gut, allowing gliadin to flow into the lamina propria. Once the gliadin reaches the lamina propria, transglutaminase 2, or tissue transglutaminase, deamidates the gliadin. This deamidated gliadin is received by HLA-DQ2 or DQ8 antigen-presenting cells. MHC2 molecules on the cell surface present the gliadin to CD4 plus T cells, which signal an immune response.
Advantage: in particular, recognition of peptides by HLA molecules, translational modifications required for optimal peptide binding and immunity mechanisms leading to tissue damage have been found in CD as well as in other autoimmunity diseases. Complications: the relationship between celiac disease and many autoimmunity disorders have been explained by the sharing of a common genetic factor. Conclusion: the prevalence of autoimmunity disorder in celiac disease is related to the duration of exposure to gluten. The relationship between celiac disease and many autoimmunity disorders have been explained by the sharing of a common genetic factor.